Hi, tenkengadgets here. Welcome back to the channel. What makes headphones, when you say premium headset, what makes it premium? Build quality, 1. Sound, 2. Noise cancelling feature, 3. Price, 4. Those are the defining traits of a premium headset. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And by the way, also leave a comment. I love reading your comments and I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. Look at this right here. This is a Neural Sound headphone. This has pretty much been my go-to headset for the past probably a year plus. And I have not had one single issue with this headphone. It's sturdy, it's well built, and the sound is crazy. But we're not here to talk about Neural headset. This Bowers & Wilkins PX7 noise cancelling over-the-ear headphone. Now I picked this up for $400 on Amazon. I have to say I thought that just $400 headphones will mean premium, but this headphones is premium in some ways, and in other ways I have to say that premium vibe, I'm not getting it. I'm getting more regular cheap vibe kind of headset. So unboxing it, it looks really nice. The packaging of the headphones makes it make you feel like you have that premium headset that you grabbed off a store. You have the foam kind of feel, suede, and then that silver pattern makes it really look so premium. Honestly, why do I keep using the word premium? I think I'm just making fun of this headset at this point. But it comes with a pouch, and as well it comes with a 3.5mm jack cable, and also it has a USB Type-C charging cable which charges the headset from 0 to 100 in 15 minutes. You have 5 hours full usage after charging the headset, and that is, I don't know if that's nice compared to other headphones. I know my Neural Sound lasts longer than 5 hours, so but full charge is not really the issue. You have Bluetooth technology in this headset, so you can connect wirelessly as well, and it's also compatible with Apple and Android. So with Apple, you can synchronize with Siri at any time you want to. Just press the button and Siri pops up. But why do I say this is not really premium like I thought it would be? Like the sound quality of this headset is not what I thought it would be. As far as I'm concerned, the sound is pretty much poor, if I'm to say so myself, compared to other headphones that I've used, like the Neural Sound that is right next to me right now, my go-to headphones. I've used Sony, I've used Apple, I think I've used Samsung as well. You have clean sound, but these headphones, I feel like the manufacturers, Bowers & Wilkins, focused primarily on bass, and that of itself is not really all that embodies headphones or sound or music quality in general. It's not just about bass, it's about everything in its totality. So, but they focused more on bass. When you're listening to other types of music genres like acoustic music, like jazz, like rock kind of music, like metal, you kind of don't enjoy it at all because it's just all bass, 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 bass. And you're having guitar, you're having you know what I'm saying, like sounds, you're having strings, you're having pianos and all those kind of sounds meshed up together in those acoustic sounds, and all you get majority of the time is bass. So having said that, it makes the sound unclean. So let's dive down into the features of this headset. Noise cancelling feature for one. So the headphones does a good job of noise cancelling. For noise cancelling, my score is 10/10. It really does a really good job of just sealing you in your own space, so you don't have any extra noise coming from outside. Another feature is something called aptX adaptive feature. Now this aptX is actually a codec that maintains the quality of sound whatever you are doing. So let's say you're running, or you're in the gym, or you're traveling, or whatever, or just staying still. it maintains that sound. It doesn't flicker or change or dial down up. It just keeps it the way it's supposed to be. Another feature is something called multifunction. Now for multifunction, you can connect two devices to the same headset and then with a primary control. And when you're watching movies or streaming music or whatever, and you get a call, the headphones on its own pauses on the secondary device, so you can receive your calls without any interference, and then it continues from where it stops. Another feature that it has is wear sensors. Now wear sensor is another feature that it has, that what this does is it kind of saves your battery, and it's smart. So what you do is when you take the headphones off and put it on the table or on the ground or wherever you put it, and it's not on ear at a particular time, it immediately goes into sleep mode. So that way you conserve energy and your battery stays afloat. So when you put it on ear, it comes back on automatically. Now those are the only features that are pretty much makes this Bowers & Wilkins headset what it is. Now let me tell you my take, which I've been talking about for I think the start of the video. But overall, my take on this headphone is I really don't think it's worth $400. I think it should be, I think 150, 200 range bucks. But the build quality is premium. I love how it looks. The suede feel, or I don't know how to put it. The fiber feels really nice. The leather feels comfortable on ear. But as far as comfort goes, only on ear, basically. So the foam that when you put it on your ears, it's comfortable around the ear cups. But as far as the tightness and on head, it's really uncomfortable after some time. So you use the headphones, and then after, let's say 30 minutes, you already feel that discomfort already, because it's kind of built, I think the build style of it doesn't really sit well with someone like me. So I get pretty uncomfortable really fast using the headset. Now you get this in 3 colors. It comes in silver, it comes in carbon, and I think the other color is black. I think those are the 3 colors that it comes with, and all of those variants range have the same price. So $400 for any color you pick. I personally picked this color because silver just goes well with anything. Actually, I just love silver. It makes it look shiny and stuff like that. Now another feature that makes this headphone really good compared to other headsets is you have a pouch. But again, you're paying $400 for headphones. I'm pretty sure if you pay $400 for headphones, you are supposed to get a pouch. It's pretty much a no-brainer at that point. And the pouch is pretty standard. It's not really anything too serious, honestly. It's just put the headphone in there, zip it up, and then you're out. And how does this feel when you use it outside? It really feels great when you are outdoors. It also allows, there's a feature on it, I don't remember right now, but there's a feature that allows a little bit of sound to pass through the headset when you are outdoors. So you are not completely in a hole, basically. You don't just have sound cut off completely. You can still hear other sounds around, like let's say a car horning. Let's say you're walking on the street and a car is honking to tell you to get out the way, or crossing the road, or public announcements and all that kind of stuff, or simple conversations here and there when you are outdoors. There's a feature, as I said, there's a feature that allows for you to be able to hear those little itty bitty noises here and there when you are outdoors. And then when you want to confine yourself to just have complete noise cancellation, the headset provides that as well. So that is pretty much my take on Bowers & Wilkins headset. I personally don't think it is worth $400. I think the price should be dialed down a little bit. And as far as score goes, it doesn't stack up well to other premium headsets like the Neura Sound, like Sony, Apple, and other Beats, and other headphones as well. But if, I don't know, everyone has different perspective on devices. As far as the Bluetooth functionality goes, it's pretty easy to set up. All you have to do is just flip the switch, turn it on, and then go search a Bluetooth and just connect. There is no really much pairing, authentication, bypass. It doesn't take much at all. Unlike the Neurosound, you have to do some things like download the app, all that kind of stuff. This doesn't really have all that extra stuff. All you have to do is just turn Bluetooth on, connect, and that's it. That's it for you. That's it. You're just good to go. Plug it in, put on your headphones, and enjoy, if I may add. So thank you guys for watching the video, by the way. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video. If you got to this part and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and also comment. I love to read your comments so much, and I love engaging with you guys. Like I said, I will respond to every comment I see. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'm your boy tenkengadgets, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.